Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is for Izzy and Lauren, who both asked me to draw them a dolphin. So that's what we're going to do today. Shall we make a start? First we're going to draw the dolphin's back. We're going to have her jumping out of the water. Let's put the fin in. Looks very much like a surfboard fin. Helps them move through the water really quickly when they want to. Green background for the nose here. This is a bottlenose dolphin we're drawing today. Let's put its flipper in. Continue that body down. Huge tail will propel through the water. It's reading that they can travel up to 30 miles an hour when they want to in short bursts. Let's put a cheek in the bottom of the cheek. Make that into a smile. Dolphins often look like they're smiling. Put the eye in. A friendly eye. No expression there. They don't have eyebrows, but this is a cartoon, so we can do what we like. Continue the body down here, so they're darker at the top and lighter underneath, and that helps with their camouflage. Put the blowhole in. Now, let's put some sea they can be jumping out of. And perhaps a tropical island as well. Maybe there's some hidden pirate treasure on this island. Just doing the leaves to the palm tree. Quite spiky, and then I've put these coconuts. So in the leaves I've put these kind of triangular grooves. And for the trunk of the tree, just doing these triangles again, almost. This is very much how palm trees grow. They grow in sections. There's the edge of the sea lapping against this little island. We need another tree in here, so we'll put one behind. I was also reading that dolphins use bubbles to herd their prey, so when they're hunting fish, they use bubbles to surround them and confuse the fish, or they sometimes whack fish with their tails, so they'll swim up to them and almost slap them with their tails to stun the fish, and that makes them easier to catch. A little starfish in here. And they use lots of sounds. They're very intelligent creatures, lots of sort of clicks and whistles and squeaks and barks and groans and moans, and that helps them to communicate with the rest of their pod. Let's put waves in here. They're obviously not fish, they're mammals. Apparently dolphins are found all over the world in different types of environments. And the Amazon is home of 4 types of dolphins that you wouldn't find anywhere else. They're actually freshwater dolphins. It splashes as it's jumping out the water here. Call it breaching. quite playful creatures as well. They sometimes follow boats and almost race the boats, jumping alongside them. There's the waves. Given this is a tropical scene, I think we'll give our dolphin a lovely sunset to jump against. So let's put in a big sun. And there we have it. There is our dolphin and tropical island. And that one was for Izzy and Lauren. I hope you like that, girls. Remember to subscribe if you want to be alerted to all the new ad art drawings that I'm doing. And if you've enjoyed drawing along with this, give me a little like below. And finally, if you want to make a suggestion like Izzy and Lauren have, then get a grown-up to contact me on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king, and perhaps I'll choose yours for next time. But that's it for today, and I'll see you again on Ad Art. Bye for now.